Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon to you all. Welcome to online classes for the subject physics in the grade 8. We are here going to discuss about the chapter 14, more about forces from the pages 84 and 85. So let's see what are the learning objectives of the today's lesson. Here boys, the learning objectives of the today's lesson is what is Newton's third law and different examples in relation with the Newton's third law, that is action and reaction. So let's talk about the Newton's third law. Here you can see about the Newton's third law, the action force and the reaction force are equal and opposite, as we see here in the picture. Also with the different examples we are going to see about this statement of Newton's third law. So how does it work in connection with the motion and the force? So here boys, Newton's third law, which states that a force is a pull or push that acts upon an object as a result of its interaction with another object. Also we can say that according to Newton's third law of motion, the action and the reaction force are equal and opposite. That is, in other words, for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. That's what we say about the Newton's third law. So here are some examples where you can see here the wall's force on the person who is here, whereas the person's force on the wall. So here, according to Newton's third law, forces always act in equal and opposite direction, but opposite pairs. So here another way to say that for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. That is what we can see from this picture. Also here it means that one object cannot provide a force without this object causing return force. So here you can see the bumper cars is also the example of this Newton's third law. You can see here with the different objects. Also here with the rocket engine thrust, you can say that there is an action where the exhaust flow push backward, at the same time the engine push forward. So the engine is pushed forward. This is the reaction of the action, that is exhaust flow pushed backward. So in other words, we can say that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. That's the Newton's third law. Here are different examples where we can see about the car. If suppose the car tire pushes on the road pushes on the tire. You can see here in this picture, this is the example of rocket just now we have seen. And also about if a man pulls on a spring, the reaction of that is spring pulls on a man. And in other case, where the earth pulls the ball down, the ball pulls on the earth. So these are the different examples of the Newton's third law with relation in relation to action and the reaction forces. These are also some examples here where you can see that from a gun, when bullet goes out, the gun also gives its reaction. That is, the action is accelerating force of the bullet, whereas the reaction is recoil force on the gun. These are the examples, and with this I am going to conclude here today's discussion. Thank you for joining. See you in the next video for the further part of the lesson.